Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to any other wallet or exchange. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is go to Bybit. Now just simply look for the crypto that you want to transfer and right away you should have all the details. So now what you have to do is click on withdraw and then right away just simply choose the correct crypto. Let's say for example you want to withdraw USDT. Choose that. Then you will have two options: on-chain withdrawal and internal transfer. So the internal transfer will only work from Bybit to Bybit, but if you want to do it with any other exchange, you have to choose on-chain withdrawal. Now over here you have to enter wallet address and the wallet chain type. Now in order for to do that, you will need another wallet address, like say for example Phantom wallet. So if you want to withdraw USDT, you have to need the address of USDT. Click on that option, click on receive and click on copy. This is the USDT code for Phantom wallet. Now paste this code right over here. After that, you should be able to see the chain type. Now choose the correct chain type right over here and then enter the amount that you want to transfer. And make sure to choose the correct chain type, because if you choose the wrong chain type, you will lose your crypto forever. Now enter the amount and right over here you will be able to see how much you will be withdrawing. So click on the confirm option and then within few minutes, the crypto will be withdrawn from your Bybit account to your Phantom wallet or any other exchange that you will choose. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.